look at that. I'm having dinner here in my favorite restaurant, Husuni. You know, I love eating this one. Okay, this is not unexpected for me to come over here to eat. Kaya lang, every day I pass by here and I feel like going because this is my favorite restaurant. They make good tofu soup. And then they have some appetizers there. Of course, what else you expect for Korean restaurant? They always have a good appetizer. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm eating a flounder, fried flounder. This is my favorite. Well, actually, my favorite was a mackerel, but I feel like eating a flounder today. Oops, let's eat. Let's eat. This is this is a pork tofu soup. Sarap. Grabe. Well, with the weather right now, it's raining outside. Guys, ako lang nandito. Too spicy, but I like the spiciness. The last client already left. I'm the last one. Oh my gosh, this is good. Customer already left. I'm the only one left. Oh, that's my kalbi? Ooh, my husband would love the kalbi. Kain ako ng rice. Gutom ako. Oh. I'm glad somebody came. I thought I'm the only one here. I thought I'm the only one left. I'm glad you came.
It's never good to eat alone.
I know. Sarap. Ito na-miss ko dito sa Husuni. Actually, this restaurant is very popular. There's a lot of people that comes here. Every time I say I'm gonna go to Husuni, oh, you choose the perfect restaurant. Yeah, they make good kalbi. My husband, I ordered kalbi today. I'm gonna feed my husband kalbi. This is tofu. This is tofu. Tapos, wanna eat a little bit of kimchi. I like this fish sauce, fish steak. Top. Grabe. Tapos ito yung cucumber. Grabe. You know, I miss coming here. I always come here every time I'm hungry.
Miss Marjorie, what are you doing here?
My dear friend, come on.
What are you doing here?
Say hello to my subscribers.
Subscriber?
Yeah, already. This is my friend. Come on, come. Say hello.
Hello.
This is my favorite friend. I saw you there. I'm gonna say, hey.
Hey, come over here. You just get off?
I'm hungry. You know me. Every time I come here, I'm hungry.
That's what you're here for. That's why you're not coming here for dancing. You're coming for.
But how come you're here? Every time I come here, you're not here.
You're lying.
Yeah.
I work here almost every day.
Oh, now you're every day now?
Always.
No. Last time you're not here. I know that. I'm looking for you. Ayan mga kaibigan ko. Top. They make good tofu soup. I recommend. But there's a lot of variety. They have beef. But I like the pork one. Ayan, tumutulo na yung aking sipon. Na kumain, pauwi na ako. At ako ay gutom, nabusog ako. And I'll show you the place, okay? Puntahan nyo. This is my favorite place. Okay. Ako ay busog na. Salamat at sinamahan nyo ako kumain. Kahit na it's already late. 9 o'clock din dito sa Tacoma. So, time to go home. I'm gonna feed my husband naman this time. Oops. So, good night. Thank you at sinamahan nyo ako kumain.